G'day viewers. Yeah, today I'm going to be showing you how I make my own beehive. I've got some high flow frames that I bought online, and probably doing some Chinese out of a bit of money here, but just out of some raw materials I have laying around, I'm going to try and make up a beehive. So beehive yourself and come and check this out. So when you pick up your high flow frames, you'll get an instruction booklet like this, and it'll show you all the different hives that you can make yourself, and that's what they send you in a box. If you want to pay the extra money, that's what it'll look like. But if not, come over here. And what I've got is the high flow frames there, and just got an old drawer that seems to fit these hives just nicely. Or you can make your own, and at stage one we've got a bit of a plastic laying around for the roof. Hook them all together. I'll take you through a bit of a step by step and show you what I'm doing. So there we go. Okay, so I've knocked the floor out of the drawer, I cut it in half, chucked this lid onto the, this lid down here, onto the other half. So we've got essentially two halves. Sitting the racks inside, I've just made a little chock in there right along so they sit in there perfectly, and around the side here you'll be putting the key in up here, and down here made a little door, a little hinge for the tubes to go in so your honey can flow out. So that's where we're up to so far. Okay, at the back here we've got half the wall so that we can put a laminated window in there. I've just cut out a bit of plastic, laminate, and then you'll be able to take that off, and there'll be a window inside. So I've just cut with a grinder, rough as guts, but it'll do the job. Just give that a bit of a clean. It's just some old lemonade I had lying around, and good to go. Righto, so now I've built a bit of a roof for it, thrown some holes in it to air vent the hive. So I just got some mesh that I'll put in across the top there, and should be right to put the roof on then. Yeah, that's the door. You'll be able to look in there and see if there's any honey in those. See any bees if you want to, just to check things out. So far, so good. Give it all a bit of a stain, varnish when I'm finished. I've got to find a floor for it first, and a roof, and it should be good to go. Righto, we've just done the base. Now, as you can see, I've made an entry for the bees using a bit of old drain pipe. Just smashed a hole in it, drilled a hole, and that'll be the entrance. Now, I've got this so you can actually pull it apart, because that board on the bottom there is pretty thick, pretty heavy. And then I've got these pine pieces in here, so this base fits nice and snug. So there you go. I'm just throwing a handle on the side there, so that you can pick that up nice and easy. So that's the base. Now over here we've got the roof. So I've got the old ventilation holes in the top there. I've cut out some mesh, some old fly screen mesh. Well, there we have it. She's got the roof on it. Give it a bit of a stain varnish. This is one that you buy, just in case you're wondering what he looks like. A few bees coming in. A bit of food to eat. I already know where to go. It's only a week, so I give them a couple of weeks and see how they go. And see if they take to the home brand model. It's a bit more rustic, if you like. Definitely by no plans. Rough as guts. So around the base here I threw some rope, which I've done over here with this base as well. Throw on a few brass pieces and latches and whatnot, and I reckon she'll look pretty bloody smick. Anyway, there you go.